Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get and grow a garden candy blossom. To begin, select a spot in your garden that receives ample sunshine, at least 6 hours each day. Ensure your soil drains well. A pH level between 6.0 and 7.5 is ideal for these vibrant plants. When planting, sow your seeds approximately 1/4 inch deep, spacing them 6 to 8 inches apart to give them room to flourish. This initial care sets the stage for a beautiful bloom. Proper watering is crucial for your candy blossoms. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can harm the roots. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. For optimal growth, feed your plants every 2 to 4 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer. Once your beautiful flowers start to emerge, you can slightly reduce the frequency of watering, allowing the soil to dry out a bit more between sessions. To keep your candy blossoms looking their best and producing abundant flowers, regular deadheading is key. Simply remove any faded or spent blooms to encourage new growth and more vibrant blossoms. For younger plants, pinching back the tips can help them develop a bushier, fuller shape. Also, make it a habit to inspect your plants weekly for any signs of pests. Early detection of common issues like aphids or spider mites allows for quick and effective treatment, keeping your garden healthy. Harvesting your candy blossoms at the right time ensures their longevity and beauty. The best time to cut your flowers is in the morning, after the dew has completely dried. Always use a clean, sharp pair of scissors or pruners to make precise cuts, which helps the plant recover quickly. Once harvested, these delightful blooms can brighten any room in a fresh bouquet. You can also use them as a charming and edible garnish for various dishes, adding a touch of sweetness to your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.